Windows and walls make a house beautiful, but it's the stories behind the splits and scratches that brings life and soul to each corners of these structures. Across the ages, some may have been torn down, some may have been restored. But here in Ignacio Cantu Street, just a few distance from the famous park, a couple of houses from the 1930s graciously stood the test of time.
Ang tawag po sa house ay yung Carmelo Canto Heritage House po. Na-construct po ang bahay around 30s, specifically 1936 po, according to my father. Ang sabi po nila, sila father ko, ang bahay ay gawa sa isang first class wood na tinatawag na kalyot. Nasa siguro 60% pa po yung original structure ng bahay. Yung 40% po na na-renovate, ginawa po siya kasi ginawa pong kwarto, yung iba naman ginawang kusina para mas magmukha siyang presentable, kumbaga.
Six years na po akong naninilbihan sa kanila. Parang tunay mo ng tirahan yan. Laging nililinis kasi tuwing may nakakita kami ng parang may parte ng may anay, pinapa-spray namin po yun. Wala pa pong nare-renovate sa loob. As is pa rin noon hanggang ngayon.
The Ignacio Cantu Street where the heritage houses are located is named after the original owners of the last remaining house in its original state. Para sa mga nais bumisita, maaaring kuhanan ng litrato ang mga heritage houses mula sa kalsada. These are not just houses. They are life-size treasure chests that live through times, witnessing children grow, lovers tango, and successes echo. They are our connection to the past and our representation of our culture. Truly a magnificent landmark. These houses are one of the many prides of this historic town of Bugalyon.